Hold it again. Sabi ko na nga, be. Bakit ba tayo nagpunta sa forest kung andito lang naman yung portal? Alam mo bang bigay lang sa akin yan ng isang matandang babae na nakita ko dun sa antique shop. Now it all makes sense. Bakit nga ba hindi ko agad naisip na nandito yung portal? Eh, dito ka lumabas, di ba? Anyway, ang importante, nakita na natin yung portal. Hi! I'm sorry! I'm so sorry! I'm so sorry. Okay. I'm so sorry. So, can we try it again? Sorry, I know you're tired, but we have to make sure, okay? Okay. Try putting your hand first into the painting, all right? Okay. Double confirmed! This really is the portal. Do you know what that means? You can now go back to where you came from. You can now go back to where you came from. Oh, wait. You can't go back wearing that. You need to wear the Crown Prince costume first. It's inside the backpack. Go get it.
Wala. Hindi nabanggit ni Jenna na may bago ng episode yung Prince in the Moonlight? First time kong maunang manood sa kanya. Eh, ayan kasi. Masyadong busy kay Prinsipe Opa. Yun talaga.
승남아, 내 소중한 아들. 이 내 몸이 더 쇠약해지기 전에 제발 돌아오거라.
Uy! Hala, kawawa naman si Queen Mother. Uy, kailangan na talaga makabalik ni Prinsipe Opa sa kanila. Sana makita agad ni Jenna yung portal. Uy, ako.
I still can't believe this experience up to now. But even though it's complicated and overwhelming, I'm still very happy to have met and spent time with you, even if it's just for a short while.
나는 아직까지 믿기지가 않아요. 하지만 아무리 복잡하고 혼란스러워도 잠시나마 당신과 함께할 수 있어서 기뻐요.
I will miss you, Songnam. But you need to go back home. But I will Korea. Keep on remembering everything about you and our memories together. Goodbye, my Crown Prince.
당신이 그립겠지만 당신은 돌아가야 합니다. 나는 당신에 대한 모든 것을 기억할 거예요. 당신과 함께했던 추억.
아니, 난 그러고 싶지 않소.
Why not?
왜냐면 난 내가 진심으로 사랑할 운명의 여인을 찾았기 때문이요. 그댈 사랑하오.